we will learn names of different parts of our body. Are you ready, children? So let's start. Head.
Yun na, yun na.
Head.
Yan, head.
Hair.
O, gayahin mo siya. Hair daw, hair. Hair.
Forehead. Forehead.
Forehead. Ito, oh, forehead. Yan. O, nasa ng eyes?
Eyes. Eyelashes. Eyelashes.
Eyelashes. Tingnan mo, nasan daw? Asan? Yun. O, eyebrows daw, eyebrows. Ayan, ito daw, oh, eyebrows. Yan, very good.
Temples.
Dimples. Dimples. Dito, yan, very good. Nose. Nose. O, yan, very good.
Lips.
O, lips. Ay, galing. Very good talaga.
Tongue.
Tongue. Tongue. Asan ang tongue? O, teeth. Yung tongue. Nasaan yung tongue? Tongue. Asan yung tongue? Mouth. Asan ang mouth? Mouth. Yan. Chin. Galing. Cheeks. Yan, very good talaga. Oh, asan daw ang ears? Yun. Uy, pakinggan mo yun, bebe. Neck. Daw, neck. Neck. Easy. Neck. Yun. Nasaan ang neck? Yung neck. Neck. Arm. Arm. Elbow. Ang galing. Panoorin mo. Hand. Yeah. Opo. Oh, yun na, panoorin mo. Wrist. Yeah, wrist. Fingers. Yun. Galing. Palm. Yeah, palm. Thumb. Chest. Yan. Chest. Stomach. Stomach. Ito daw, stomach. Ito. Back. Yun, very good. Thank you. Thigh. Ito, ang thigh. Yan, thigh. Tayo ka nga, tayo. Knee. Knee. Asan na yung knee? Feet. Ah, nilipat na. Okay na, bye-bye na. Bye.